Hello, let's see the solution to weather observation station 16. So this SQL question says query the smallest northern latitude or lat_n, this column from a station table that is greater than 38.7780 and round your answer to 4 decimal places. So let's find the greatest value in this column. To do that, we can the smallest value this time, the smallest value, we can use the main function, select main of lat_n from station. This is going to give us the minimum value in this column, which is 25, and we need to find the minimum value that is greater than this 38.7, which is where lat_n is greater than 38.7780. Let's run the code. So we get the smallest value that is greater than this value, and also we're asked to round it to 4 decimal places. So let's use the round function, round the minimum of lat to 4 decimal places. Yeah, it's accepted, and let's submit the code. So we successfully found the smallest number in the latitude column that is greater than 38.7780. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.